National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Woodford County, east central Caswell County, northern McLean County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Minear, or 13 miles southeast of Morton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Bloomington, Normal, and Danvers around 8:50 p.m. Hudson and Towanda around 9 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Lexington and Colfax. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 55 between mile markers 159 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 118 and 132.